Shit get crazy. But I already told myself, even if it snows, I'm still gonna be working out. It don't matter. I'm still gonna be basically keeping the same mindset I have right now, even if it snows or no matter how cold it gets. Cause that's just what it is, yo. Like, you don't only work out for like, oh, just cause the weather nice. Nah, man, you gotta do that shit regardless. No matter how hot or cold it gets, you gotta do that shit. Yeah, the workout mat is fine. I'll say that, but I can't really do everything I need to do at home. I have to be outside. But if I want to, like, you know, do simple shit like push-ups, sit-ups, shit like that, then yeah, I could work out at home. I can use my workout mat and get the job done. But if I want to get that cardio in, then I gotta be outside. And I don't go to the gym no more. I've been going to the gym. I went to the gym for a year and then I stopped. So now I just like be in the park, getting that cardio in. And it's been really good, to be honest. I enjoy what I get out of it. I'm definitely turning off of there. That's like bullshit up ahead. And it's a Saturday too. Oh yeah, up there is gonna be busy. I think the most I'm just gonna get is like fruits and veggies and just be making my own shit. I definitely do want to eat healthy. Like, I don't want to be buying food every day. Like, I want to go like, okay, if I'm hungry, I could just make something. Something enjoyable though, like something that I don't mind eating every day. That's what I'm looking for. Or even of like different things. I do get tired eating the same thing every day. Like it could be healthy and I'm just so tired of eating. I want to switch it up, you know? Like, I know I definitely could. All right. I arrived at the supermarket. Let me find somewhere to park. I hope that's a park right there. And it is. Taking W's. Yeah, I'm good. But yeah, I'm about to go do a little shopping. I'm gonna try to make more of these videos for y'all. I do enjoy making them. It's just that I haven't really had the time lately, but I'm gonna start making these videos again. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you all for the support. I've been seeing y'all subscribing to the channel. That means so much to me. I don't even deserve it because I don't even be posting like that. I am gonna post more, I promise. I'm definitely gonna post more. But yeah, I hope y'all have a great day.